Hey y'all, welcome to my sacred savings where we don't do broke, stress, or confused anymore. I'm Patricia, and listen, surviving season is over. We are thriving now. One prayer, one plan, and one saved dollar at a time. Let's jump in. Y'all, today's video truly means a lot to me. I'm able to cash stuff $85. And this stuffing came from 2 budget planner sales and being intentional with groceries. That might not sound like a lot to some people, but to me, it represents obedience, growth, and community. So before we even touch the envelopes, I just want to say thank you for the purchases, the subscriptions, the views, and especially the comments. Y'all encourage me more than you ever know. So let's go ahead and count this money. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, and 85. I'll go ahead and do it simply like this. Okay, so we have here our envelopes. Okay, and this is my cash envelope breakdown. So as you see, we're stuffing emergency fund, car maintenance, website, and $1 challenge. I'm trying to move this around so you're able to see everything. Okay, so first up is going to be my emergency fund, and today I am stuffing $50. So we're going to go back here to the emergency fund, and that is going to be 20 and 1, 2, and 3 tens. So 20, 30, 40, 50. Trying to make sure that you can see this. This envelope is so important to me because it represents peace. Life can change fast, and having even a small cushion makes a difference mentally and emotionally. I've learned that building an emergency fund isn't about fear. It is about wisdom, you guys. Every dollar I put in here is a reminder that I'm choosing preparation over panic, as I said last time. And, trying to get this in. And you guys, if you are watching and you haven't started an emergency fund yet, start with where you can. $5, $10. I mean, even if it's $1, start with something. Progress is progress. It's getting stuck. Really? Y'all see this? You going right on in there where you belong. Okay, let's see. And the thing about I love about cash stuffing is you get to see your progress. And it's just amazing to me that I'm able to cash stuff $85. Y'all, I will get better with this. I do apologize. I hope you all had a very happy new year. Okay. All right, and so that was 50, so we'll go ahead and color. Actually, I know it looked like this, but coloring. I'm all out the lines, you guys. Coloring is so soothing. Okay, so this is 40. And this is 50. It's relaxing. It's relaxing. Now let me stop. I do not know what is going on with me this morning. Okay, so next up is car maintenance. And if you see here, we're adding $20, which is going to be 2 tens. I'm gonna start going in the order of the thing. Oh, this is car maintenance right here. Okay, 2 tens. That is $20. All right. I'm trying to see, should I just go on in now? Go on in now. And you guys, so the cars is one of the most expenses that don't care what your budget look like. Tires, brakes, oil changes, they add up fast. And this envelope helps protect my emergency fund so I don't have to pull from it for every little repair. I used to think ignore like car maintenance and like fund saving money for that, but I've learned the hard way that planning ahead really does save money in the long run. It does. I'm going ahead and keep that one like that. Okay, so that is $20. And car maintenance, that was 2 tens. So I use the color so in the lines. I have a butterfly coloring book that I made, that I color, and it helps with like anxiety and stuff like that. Love it, you guys. I might put that for sale on my website. And speaking of website, next website gets $10, which is one $10 bill. And every time I do this, I think of that song. What was the song? One is the loneliest number that you ever seen. But no, it ain't. Okay, so website, $10. And this envelope is really special because it represents reinvesting into my sacred savings. Every planner sale reminds me that someone believes in what I'm creating, and that's a blessing I don't take lightly. This money helped cover website costs, tools, future improvements, so I can keep showing up. For this one, we are going to do pink. So we will color 2 of those. I think it's these lights, you all. It's the lights. This video sucks. No, I'm just but I'm gonna have to put it out. So I'm just listen. Forgive me. That's all I gotta say. I am new to this. That's funny. Okay. Blow on it, make sure it dry. All right, and last is a $1 challenge, and we have $5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes into a special spot. After I save 60, like I said, I'm gonna stop counting, and then at the end of the year, see how much there is total. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I love this envelope because it reminds me that small amounts still matter. A dollar saved constantly can turn into something meaningful over time, and this challenge keeps saving fun and realistic. And see how we started off with that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9, and then now we're all the way to, what is that, 30 now. So it adds up, you guys. It adds up. And I still can't believe we're going to do another flip through that I'm able to save. You just don't know. Thank you, God. Whew. That's all I can say is thank you, God. This stuffing may be $85, but the lesson is much bigger than the amount. It's about gratitude, discipline, and trusting the process. If you're on a tight budget right now, I want you to know that you're not behind, you're building, and that's what matters. That is what matters. All right, y'all. Thanks for spending time with me. here at My Sacred Savings, where we don't do broke, stressed, or confused anymore. Remember, survivor season is done. We're thriving now. One prayer, one plan, and one saved dollar at a time. If this blessed you or boosted your budget, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. I'll see you in the next one.